Namaskar friends, this is Acharya Raman here. I am going to talk about how 2021 is going to be for all the ascendants from Aries to Pisces. Saturn is transiting in the star of Sun, Jupiter is in the star of Sun, Rahu will be in Mars star and Ketu will be in Mercury star. These are the four main planets which basically decide how the world is going to be for the coming 1 year to 2.5 years depending upon the transits of the planets. And if you are running the period of these planets, then the effect are going to be maximum, otherwise the effect are not going to be so direct. We are passing through the age of Corona, so Corona is not going to go in 2021 also, and after studying the horoscopes of over 100 people, I personally came to the conclusion that Rahu is the main factor or Ketu is the main factor, because Rahu was the only thing common in those 100 horoscopes. All the people who had acquired Corona globally had Rahu running in their Dasha Bhukti Yantra, or their Dasha Lord was in Rahu star, or the Dasha Lord was conjoined with Rahu, or Rahu was sitting in the sign of that Dasha Lord. So these are the points, after studying which I came to the conclusion that if you are running the period of any planet which is in the star of Rahu or sub of Rahu, or you are running or if you are running the dasha of Rahu or Ketu, then be very careful. Do not go out without mask. Keep your hands sanitized. Keep washing your hands. Keep away from strangers. Do not travel until unless it is very necessary. And also at that time be very careful, very strict. Otherwise there is no way you can stop yourself from having Corona. Said this, you may be wanting to talk to me again and again, so all you have to do is one simple thing. Just go to the Play Store and download our app, Varta app, Astro Sage Varta app. So you can download it and you can call me directly after refilling. So why are you waiting? Just download the app and call me. And suppose if you don't find me on the app, or maybe I am offline, so you can call our customer care. They will arrange a call within very few minutes. So now let me start the horoscope of all the 12 ascendants. Coming to Scorpio people, in 2021 you have to be very careful with your brain. Brain tumor is indicated for some of you, not many, but if you are going through any kind of problem, if you have even the slightest of headache or any pain between the eyes or just between your heads, just go to a doctor. Do not ignore the signs. This year is very crucial for many of you. Coming to your family life, it is not going to be good because of your dominance and tantrums. People will get fed up of you. Your desire to have a hand in every decision, whether you know about it or not, will create problems for you and entire family. Curb this tendency and all will be well. Love life, you should not get suspicious about your partner. There is nothing to worry and things are going fine. Those who are looking for new love should hold for this year. There will be ample happiness in your love life. You will be able to enjoy time with your beloved. Your care should not turn into obsession is what you should keep in mind. Everyone needs freedom and their own space. Coming to your married life, divorce is imminent for many of you. There will be no bar of the Dasha Antra, but people with Rahu or Ketu will be directly affected this year. So keep in mind that if you are having the Dasha of these planets or Antras of these planets, then allow time to yourself and think carefully. Many times we take decisions just out of sheer anger and hatred, which result in a big time loss in life. This is exactly what may happen with you this year. Coming to your health, this is another area where you will need to focus. You will have diseases of the brain, headache, insomnia, liver disorders, joint pains. Do some meditation and exercises. Do not eat spicy food. Coming to your job, job-wise the year shows goodness mostly. You will be given bigger responsibilities and you will be having salary hikes. Not only people with Rahu periods will not be able to perform well in their respective areas. Rest all will do well. Business. Coming to your business, as far as business is concerned, the natives of Rahu period will not make desirable profits, but the rest will have their pockets full in their respective fields. Coming to your property and vehicles, you can go for purchase of these materials, but avoid the sub periods of Rahu and Ketu. People with Jupiter Dasha will buy big vehicles and new homes this year. Congratulations. Accidents, month of January, April, June, December are the periods when you should be careful about driving. So friends, this was all for horoscope 2021. Some may find it good, some may not find it very good. This is what I can come up with, seeing the rotation of the planets. If you want to talk to me, you just download the Varta app and give me a call. But first of all, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get all the videos from our side. As for now, Namaskar.
एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।